What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be looking at the best free compressor plugins. These plugins are really professional plugins and they are as good as most paid plugins, so let's check them out. The first one we'll be looking at is Compressor by WA Production. So we'll be testing these plugins on the drum track on this track. Compressor is a one knob compressor plugin. You use this knob to compress and you can just add in the makeup gain. So let's see how that sounds. As you compress, the expression on the BS face changes to show you are going hard or you're going soft. At this level, you're totally squashing the sound and you have to add in a makeup gain for that compressor effect to be active.
If you only would, don't you worry about me.
The next plugin we'll be looking at is Compressor. So this is a compressor plugin that has most of the standard compressor options: threshold, ratio, attack release, and the rest. I really like this plugin that it has a visual representation of what you're doing. Let's check this out.
I'm tougher than you might think. The storm is right.
So Compressor also comes with a sidechain option. You can channel this to your bass or any other instrument you want to sidechain. And yeah, so you can use this for docking, sidechain compression, and other good stuff like that. So that's Compressor by Melda Audio. You should definitely check this out. The next plugin we'll be looking at is OTT. This is a very popular compressor plugin. It means over the top. It's an upward downward multiband compressor. And let's see how this works. So by default, it just squashes your sound and you have to pull down the depth knob to get something that is not squashed, except you want something that is squashed.
You worry about me. I'm tougher than you might think.
There is more snap on the drums, and yeah, I really like how OTT sounds. You can use it on anything. I use it on vocals, kicks, snares, anything. So that's OTT, guys. Definitely check it out. So the next plugin we'll be looking at is Rough Rider by Audio Damage. I really like how it sounds right off the bat. It adds this warm character to your mix. Let's check out how it sounds.
You kiss me before you say goodbye.
So this is just like the threshold. It also comes with a sidechain option.
You say goodbye, but make it quick before I start to
It comes with lots of nice presets.
I know it's gonna hurt, and so just I wish you'd stay. If you only would, don't you
So that's Rough Rider 3 by Audio Damage. You should definitely check this out. The next one we'll be looking at is Pre-X Comp by Cocos. This is the only multiband compressor on the list, and this is a very good multiband compressor plugin. You can add as many bands as you want. It comes with lots of nice presets, and let's check this out.
Kiss me before you say goodbye, but make it quick before I start to cry. I know it's gonna hurt, and so I wish you'd stay if you only would. Don't you worry about me, I'm tougher than you might think.
We are looking for a free multiband compressor. This is a very good plugin to check out. The last plugin on this list is Supercharger by Native Instruments. This is a single band compressor plugin. Comes with its own character, and you can use this on anything: your drum boss, vocals, kick, snares, synths, anything. It's a one-knob compressor plugin, and this knob does all the gain reduction. So it has a punch and dirt option. So this just adds more character and saturation to what you're compressing. So let's see how this sounds.
It's gonna hurt, and so I wish you'd stay if you only would.
I really like this plugin because it gives me what I want without having to change lots of options, and it also comes with a sidechain option. So that's Supercharger by Native Instruments. So these are the best free compressor plugins: Combe, M Compressor, OTT, Rough Rider, Re-X Comp, and Supercharger. So the links to these plugins will be in the description below. You should definitely check them out. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. If you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below or message me on Instagram. My link will be in the description below. So that'll be all for today, guys. Hope you're all having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope you're all having a good day. Until next time, guys, take care.